Hello y'all, Dan back here from 1016 Racing with my 300ZX. So I saw a lot of stuff on the internet about people not knowing how to adjust their e-brake. So I'm going to show you. I'll put the link down below for the manual that I found online. I got an 87 300ZX. You got to get underneath the car. Let's take a look. So, you gotta get it jacked up. And here's your adjustment right here. Let's get this in focus. So you got equalizer in the middle. And here's your adjuster. What I did is I stuck a wrench through that hole there and used the crescent wrench here. And to tighten it, I set your e-brake to 3 clicks. The handbrake on the inside of the car. Then I came down here and I turned this looks about 3 threads. And it's good as new. Tight when you pull the brake, and still got some play. Spin the wheel. So you know, still got a little bit of the brakes touching. It's not the e-brake, it's just the drone. Spin. It's got much more pull in it than it did before. That ain't going nowhere now. All right. Thanks, gentlemen, and have a good day.